Welcome back, Love Nation. This is Nina. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you to everybody that has been coming to my channel. Like this video, share this video, and hit that notification bell so you know when I drop my next one. We have 3 court updates that I am going to do for you guys in this video. We will be talking about Jonathan Majors, Cesar Pina, as well as Jussie Smollett, as there is a lot of movement this week, and I just wanted to come in here and go ahead and make this video. So we're going to start with Jussie Smollett. And you guys, this is a mess. So apparently he is currently appealing his case to the Illinois Supreme Court. Now, you guys know he has been convicted of, again, lying, basically, and saying that all that stuff happened to him a few years ago during that polar vortex did not happen. And he continues to say that he has been set up. I've made several videos about this. This case is currently in appeal. He is appealing, having to do a 4-month or so jail sentence in which he's only done about 6 days so far after his conviction. If anything else come out about this case, I will definitely make an update. At this point, I think we are all literally tired of Jussie Smollett. However, we're just going to keep following through on this. It's been several years now, and honestly, I do not think anyone actually does believe this happened to him at this point, looking at all of the evidence. So like I said, we're just going to keep following this case. Next, we are going to do a Jonathan Majors update. His his lawyers was just granted a delay in sentencing until April 8th. Again, I guess that is a major win for his defense team. You guys know Jonathan Majors was convicted back in December of recklessly putting his hands on his ex-girlfriend in the 3rd degree, which is a misdemeanor, as well as harassment in the 2nd degree, which is also another violation. Both charges carry the potential sentence of up to 1 year in prison. The sentencing was initially set to take place this coming Tuesday, February 13th. However, during a virtual hearing in which Jonathan Majors did appear, his defense team said they needed more time to respond to the prosecutors, and the motion was granted. You guys know that Jonathan Majors' career has definitely taken a huge hit, as he has been taken out of a lot of major projects in which he was already signed up for or was already in the works. One being a very huge one, playing Kang the Conqueror for Marvel. That was a huge, huge loss for his career, amongst other things which he is being recasted for. Megan Good is also said to be now roommating with Jonathan Majors as another step in their relationship. I am just going to say and just hold my own thoughts about this. You never know, excuse me, how you find love and how it comes. I am just going to wish the best for Megan Good, because honestly, you know, I don't even want to say what I really want to say. I just wish her the best. And girl, first sight of trouble, please run. However, I'm just going to wish you the best. I don't like speaking bad upon other people's relationships, but I mean, everybody pointing a finger at the same person can't be lying. I'll leave it at that. Lastly, we're going to get into the Cesar Pina situation, and there's a lot to read because he has a warrant for his arrest. So, Cesar Pina has been selling this house flipping thing in New Jersey and even made a book about it, basically talking about how you can come up and own property, etc., and, become a landlord. I mean, just to sum it up, I have not really been following this, but it seems like a lot of misdeeds and misappropriation of funds has been coming out There is currently a warrant for his arrest, which was signed February 8th. I have a copy of the warrant for him and his wife, which I am about to read now, and I definitely want to know you guys' comments below about all of these court situations. Like I said before, this is a mess. Let's just get straight into this current warrant for his and his wife's arrest. A document, and again, this is public knowledge. Basically, the courts are requesting an arrest warrant against Cesar Pina as well as his wife, Jennifer. I am going to read this for you guys and just make some brief statements. This is going directly to the judge, Honorable Rosemary Cambardella, USBJ, United States Bankruptcy Court. Address is listed. And this is a request for Cesar Pena and Jennifer Pena to have an order of arrest for not disclosing documents which were basically requested a few weeks ago. And this says, as you know, this firm is counsel to Mark Politan, Chapter 11 trustee for the Warehouse Real Estate Investments LLC in the above captioned jointly administered matter. This letter is written to advise the court that Jennifer and Cesar Pena, collectively the Penas, have failed to comply with the court's order, ECF 85, to provide documents to the trustees, and that your honor should enter the order for arrest. The Penas did provide extremely limited information, but they were substantially deficient in responding to the request, and they remain in contempt of providing the information requested by the trustee. In addition, this goes on to say, to the failure to provide baseline information regarding business records, accountant and tax information, and what is most critical to the trustee's exercise of his fiduciary duties, the Penas have failed to provide a list of all debtors, properties, and insurance information. It is critical that the Penas be arrested forth and with upon execution of this order of arrest by your honor to determine, among other things, whether insurance exists and for which properties. The trustee is extremely concerned that if an incident occurs at the property and someone is injured, insurance may not be in place, which exposes the estate to potential liability. And you guys, that is very key. I'm going to keep reading. Without knowing the full range of properties or status of insurance, the bankruptcy's estate and the trustees are in jeopardy. The only persons that can adequately provide that information is the Penas. Furthermore, the trustees has sought the same information on insurance from two lenders and has, where appropriate, asked to be added as an additional insured. One lender has been recently identified and subpoenaed for that information, among other requests, and we are waiting for a response. A trustee expects to make the same request to be added as an additional insured if there is insurance in place for those properties. There is no reason to hold back any further, as the situation will continue to deteriorate values of the real estate, expose the estate to potential liability, and harmfully impact any opportunity to maximize returns to stakeholders. Basically, they're saying, according to the trustee, request that your honor execute the order for the arrest so that the trustees can notify the United States Marshals to arrest the Penas and bring them to your honor's courtroom to answer basic questions. The Penas have been given far too many opportunities and far too much time to comply with the court's order. Time is now of the essence. And then it's signed at the bottom. So, you guys, this case is moving fast. These people are not playing with them in this real estate and this Ponzi scheme, allegations. I definitely want to know what you guys think below concerning these three cases. Like, share, subscribe. Till next time, be safe. Enjoy your day. Bye, guys.